A very good morning to everybody. I'm
Good
ready
morning.
for online
Morning, miss.
session. Myself, Alisha Shashikant Gaikwad from Dharavi Transcamp, English School number 1.
12 months.
Good morning, miss.
Before starting our lecture, I want to ask you some questions. Okay, children, can you tell me how many months are there in the year?
12 months.
12 months. Okay. How many months are there?
12 months.
Okay, tell me the month.
12 months.
12 months.
Okay, so the names of the months are January,
February, March,
March,
April,
April, May.
July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay, how many months we have? 12 months.
12 months.
Yeah. Whenever I am asking question, that time only you have to answer. Otherwise, please mute your mic. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Whenever I ask the question, then only you have to unmute your mic and answer. Now, please mute your mics. Okay, there are 12 months in a year. So, children, in your textbook, there is a lesson name. There is a lesson name 12 months. So, today our lesson is 12 months. It is a very interesting chapter. It is a very interesting chapter from your textbook. Okay. So we shall see the chapter now, how the story goes on of the 12 months. It is a very lengthy chapter, but it is very interesting. Okay. Once upon a time, in a faraway country, there lived a mother who had 2 daughters. One had 2 daughters. One was her own child and other was her stepdaughter. Once upon a time, there was a mother living with 2 daughters. There was a mother living with 2 daughters. Okay. See, the mother and 2 daughters. Children, see, this is an imaginary story. It is assumed, it is imagined by the writer, by the author. Okay. So, there was a mother living with her 2 daughters. Now, these 2 daughters, one was her own and other was a stepdaughter. Now, what is the meaning of a stepdaughter? Stepdaughter means a daughter from another mother. A daughter from a other mother, not of her own. But she hated her stepdaughter. She hated her stepdaughter. She did not like the stepdaughter. The only reason was that Maricula's stepdaughter was prettier than her own daughter, Helena. Please mute your mic, children. Children, please mute your mic. The only reason was that Maricula, the stepdaughter, was prettier than the other daughter. She had 2 daughters. One was Helena and other one was Maricula. Now this Maricula was very pretty. Maricula was very pretty and Helena was not pretty, as the mother was feeling that. Gentle-hearted Maricula. Now Maricula was very beautiful and she was kind and gentle-hearted. She was very nice girl. Maricula was very nice girl. But she was not knowing how beautiful she was. And she could never make out why her mother was always so cross with her. Now, Maricula was very beautiful, but she was not knowing that thing. And she was not knowing also why her mother is hating her so much. Now, this Maricula, what she used to do? Maricula had to do all the housework, tidying up the cottage, cooking, washing, spinning, weaving, and sewing. Now, Maricula used to do all the household work, cooking in the kitchen. She used to keep the cottage clean, make it tidy. She used to do sewing of all the clothes of the house, weaving. In this way, Maricula used to do all the things, cooking, cleaning, weaving, sewing, weaving, all these things alone Maricula was doing. So she liked work and she did it without a word of complaint. She used to do a lot of work, but without complaint. She was not doing any complaint. So much work I have to do. So many things I have to do. But she never used to complain. While Helena, the other daughter of the mother, her name is Helena, spent the time adoring herself and lazing about. Helena was very lazy. Helena was very lazy. She used to adoring herself, that she is very nice. Now, what is the meaning of her adoring? Now, adoring means just praising herself. Just praising herself and doing nothing. Okay. Then, and she was a lazy girl. Helena was a lazy girl. Maricula used to do all the work. What?
Teacher, I am read.
I am reading the chapter. Afterwards, you will read, okay? Even then, Helena and her mother scolded and rated and abused Maricula every day. Now, Helena and her mother scolded and rated and abused Maricula every day. Now, what is the meaning of abuse? Treated very cruelly. बहुत ही गुस्सा करना. Helena abused, very cruel. She was with her because she was not her daughter. Maricula was not her daughter. She used to give too much of work to Maricula every day. Every day she was very abused by the mother and the daughter Helena. They invited her so much that one day they decided to throw her out in the freezing cold and get rid of her. One day what happened? They thought that we should throw her out of the house. उसे घर से बाहर निकाल दिया जाए. In the freezing cold to get rid of her. उससे छुटकारा पाने के लिए उन्होंने सोचा उसे घर से बाहर निकाला जाए. Go, Maricula, and get some violets from the forest. I want to wear them and smell them, said Helena. Now, this Helena, her sister, was telling her to go in the forest. To go in the forest, but it was freezing cold. बहुत ही ठंड थी, very much cold, but they thought if she goes in the cold, she will not come back. They were thinking like that. Violets, they told her to bring violets. Now, what are violets? I will show you. These are the violets. कुछ flowers है, उसको उन्होंने लाने के लिए बोला मैरिकुला को. These are the flowers, violets. The color of the flowers are violets. They wanted them to smell it and wear in the hair. Many of us put hair in hair the flowers. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, very good. So they wanted to put the flowers and smell it. Okay, then she was told to go to the mountains. Go, Maricula, get some violets from the forest. I want to wear them and smell them, said Helena. But my dear sister, it is impossible to find violets in the snow. Now this sister, she is telling, dear sister, it is impossible to find violets in the snow. Violets नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि बहुत सारा snow है, said poor Maricula. बाहर बहुत ठंड है, ठंड इतनी ठंडी में फूल तो नहीं आए होंगे, मैं कहाँ लेने जाऊँ ये फूल, ये उसे समझाकर प्यार से बताती है. How dare you argue when I tell you to do something? How dare you, she is telling. I have told you to do some things, you should do it. Off you go at once, and if you do not bring me violets from the forest, I will kill you. She is telling, if you do not bring the violets from the forest, I will kill you, said Helena threateningly. Now she is making her threaten. उसको डराया है. अच्छा, फ्लावर्स लेकर आओ या तो तुम्हें मैं मार डालूंगी. I will kill you. Okay, she is telling, मार डालूंगी. I will kill you. Okay, she is telling her like that. The stepmother caught hold of Maricula, turned her out of the slammed into after her. Now this stepmother, what she did, she took Maricula and threw her out of the, slammed the door. She make her go out and slam. दरवाजा बंद कर दिया. Maricula went to the mountains. She was climbing the mountains, but it was very cold. Maricula went into the forest weeping bitterly, and बहुत ही कड़वी तरह से रोना. She was weeping, crying a lot because there was snow. The snow lay deep and there wasn't a human footprint to be seen. There was no one. She was alone to go there, to be seen. Maricula wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with cold. Now Maricula was very hungry because she was walking. उसे बहुत ही भूख लगी थी और बहुत ही ठंड लग रही थी. Maricula wandered यानी यहाँ से वहाँ घूम रही थी फूल की तलाश में. She was finding it very difficult to find the flowers. She was wandering from here to there and she was very hungry and feeling very cold. As such, it was a season of winter there. At last, she saw a light in the distance. She went towards the glow. She saw a light and she went towards that light, that glow. which came from the top of the mountain. Now she went to the mountain where the light was going on. A big fire was burning there, and around the fire, 12 stones with 12 men sitting on them. 3 of them had snow white beards, 3 were not so old, and 3 were still younger. The 3 youngest were the handsomest of them all. They were not speaking, but all sitting silent. These 12 men were the 12 months. The great January sat highest of all. His hair and beard were as smooth as white, and his hand he held a club. Now see what Maricula saw in the mountain. Can you see Maricula, the small child there?
Yes.
Yes, very good. See, now when she went to the mountain where the light was glowing, she found big fire was burning there. Big fire was burning there. And there were 12 men sitting on a stone. 12 stones, 12 months were sitting. Who were they? The men were the months. They were having a club in their hand. Now, those 12 men were 12 months. कौन थे ये?
12 months.
12 months.
12 months. And now 3 of them had snow white beards. उन्हें सफेद रंग की दाढ़ियां थी 3 लोगों के लिए. And the 3 were the younger ones.
Yes.
And they were not speaking anything. वे कुछ बोल नहीं रहे थे. These 12 men were 12 months. The great January sat at high of all. Now, the great January was sitting at the head because the month was going, that was January. उस वक्त जो महीना चल रहा था वो जनवरी का था, इसीलिए हाई सीट पर कौन बैठा था? जनवरी. Okay. Maricula was frightened. यानी she was very thinking what is going on here. She was वो डर गई ये सब देखकर. She stood still for a time in a terror. वो डर से फिर भी खड़ी हुई वहां पर. But growing bolder, she made a heart to ask them what is to be done. उसने बहुत हिम्मत की रखकर उनसे पूछा. But she went up to them and said, "Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at your fire." The fire was going on. Too much cold was there, so she thought that she will ask them to warm her hands because it was very cold season. Tell me why Maricula was wanting to make her hand warm?
Because that cold, that stone,
Because the season
that
was
makes the hand cold.
because the season was very cold. Great January, the January who was sitting on this, asked Maricula, "Little girl, what are you looking for?" She was saying, "Little girl, what are you looking for?" January asked her that why, what are you looking for? इतने ठंड में आप क्या देख रही हो? I am looking for violets, answered Maricula. Maricula said that I want violets. This is no time to be looking for violets, for everything is covered with snow. Everything is covered with snow. January replies her, that you will not get violets because everything is covered with snow. बहुत ही ठंड है तो आपको ये फूल यहाँ पर नहीं मिलेंगे. Yes, I know, but my sister Helena and my stepmother said that I must bring them some violets from the forest. If I don't bring them, they will kill me. Tell me, fathers, please tell me where I can find them. Now, this Helena and her mother told her to bring, they ordered her that we should bring violets. But these violets were not available in this season. So she was taking help of these fathers, the 12 months. Tell me, she was asking them, please tell me where I can get them. Great January stood up, and to one of the younger months, it was March. The month Great January stood up. He stood up and he went to the younger month. It was March. January वहां से उठा और March के पास गया and gave him the club, the stick which they are holding in their hand. That is the club. Then the March. Whom the January gave the club? To the month March. पर फिर वहां पर month March छा गया. The March month went up and sat on the higher seat. Brother, take the high seat. March took the high seat upon the stone and waved the club over the fire. उन्होंने क्या किया, वो जो स्टिक थी, क्लब था, अपने हाथों में लिया और फायर के ऊपर उसे घुमाया. Miracle happened and March took place. March महीना आ गया. The fire blazed up. The snow began to melt. Snow began to melt. The snow, what happened? The snow went off. पिघल गया snow. The trees began to burn. Trees पर फूल बीज आने लगे फूलों के, फलों के. And the ground once was covered with grass. The grass, पूरा ground क्या हो गया, grass से भर गया. It was a spring time. It was a spring time. So February, March, in जब February, March, in जब समर सीजन आने वाला होता है, ठंडी और गर्मी के बीच में जो सीजन होता है उसे हम स्प्रिंग टाइम कहते हैं. That is the spring time, the season which comes in between of winter and summer, that is spring time. See, in the spring time, all flowers, most of the flowers and the fruits are grown in the spring time. Now, it was the time that violets began to bloom among the little leaves. The little leaves के बीच में violets आ गई. And before Maricula had time to think, so many of them had sprung up and they looked like a blue cloth spread on the ground. Now, when Maricula saw that, she did not believed इतने ठंडे मौसम में कैसे फ्लावर्स आ गए. उसने देखा कि बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स, वॉयलेट्स वहां पर आए हैं. They had sprung up and they looked like a blue cloth is spread on the ground. ऐसे लग रहा था कि कोई ब्लू कलर का कपड़ा ग्राउंड पर बिछा दिया गया. इतने सारे फ्लावर्स वहां पर आए थे. स्प्रिंग टाइम, mostly in the springtime, mostly and most flowers are grown up. Maricula picked the flowers. उसने flowers उठाए. She picked the flowers. Now pick them quickly, Maricula commanded March. March commanded her, ordered her, come on, Maricula, pick up the flowers. Maricula picked them joyfully till she had bunch. She took a bunch of violets. Then she thanked the months with all her heart and scrambled merrily home. Now, what she did is thanked the months. Thanks, yani thanks, she said to the months with all her heart and scrambled merrily home. Then she went home. Moved very quickly with a small light step. She was very happy that she got violets. Okay. Then she moved very quickly with small light steps. Scramp means very quickly, fast, fast. She went very with a light steps. Helena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Maricula bringing the violets. Now Helena and her stepmother. Who was Helena? Can someone?
His own mother's own daughter.
Daughter and sister of Maricula. Yes.
Maricula.
Yeah. Now they opened the door and scent of violins filled all cottage. Now what happened? As she went home and they were wondering how she came at home, so much cold was there, and from where she brought the violets. They were thinking like that. Now they wondered, वो सोच में पड़ गए कैसे उसे violets मिले. इतनी सारी ठंड थी और violets का मौसम भी नहीं था. But when she brought the violets to her and scent of the violets filled with all cottage. Scent of the violets filled with all cottage. Then in the cottage, whole scent of violets was spread. Where did you get them? Asked Helena. Clearly, in a bad-tempered way. In a bad-tempered. बहुत ही गुस्से से पूछा कि ये कहाँ से मिले तुम्हें? They are growing under the bushes in the forest in the high mountains. She said them. She answered Helena that it is growing under the bushes in a forest on high mountains. It was on a high mountain. Helena snatched all the flowers and did not give even a single one to her sister. Helena snatched, took away, clean kar lena, snatched all the flowers and did not give even a single one to her sister. The next day, एक भी flower उन्होंने उसको दिया नहीं. They did not give one single flower to Maricula. पूरा अपने पास उन्होंने ले लिया. The next day, she called the sister and said, "Go, Maricula, and get me some strawberries from the forest." Now, what were they telling her to bring? What were they telling her to bring? Strawberries.
Strawberry.
First, what they said her to bring?
Violets.
Very good. Very nice. Now, what they are saying her to bring?
Strawberry.
Strawberries. The next day, she called to her sister and said, "Go, Maricula, and get me some strawberries from forest." Alas, dear sister, where I find any strawberries in the hard winter? Said Maricula. This is the winter season. Where I can find the strawberries? The strawberries are not grown in this season, in the winter season. Where I will find them? How dare you argue? Go at once and get me some either strawberries or I will kill you. Like first, when she was bringing the violets, same she said her now, bring strawberries, otherwise I will kill you. The stepmother got hold of Maricula and pushed her out of the door and shut it after her. The stepmother also did what she did. She made her go out of the house, told her, okay, इसे पकड़ लिया, दरवाजे के बाहर डाल दिया और दरवाजा बंद कर दिया. They shut after her door. Maricula went to the forest weeping bitterly. Again, Maricula was weeping bitterly. She was too much crying and crying. The snow was laying deep. बहुत ही ठंड थी. And there wasn't a human footprint to be seen anywhere. Nobody was there. She was alone going all around. No footsteps of a human because there was too much of cold. So nobody was out of their house. Wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with cold. She was very much hungry and she was trembling with cold. She was feeling very cold. At last, she saw the light she had seen other day. She saw the same light when she went to see the violets in the forest. Same light she saw which she saw other day. Overjoyed, she went towards it. She was happy to see that she saw that light again. She came to the great fire with the 12 months sitting around. Now again she came to the 12 months. Again she came to the 12 months who was sitting there. Please, kind sirs, let me warm my hands at the fire. She was telling them that please let me warm my hands at your fire because tell me why she was asking to warm her hands. 325. Yes, children, tell me why she was asking to warm her hands. 122. Because there was very cold. It was very cold. The great January nodded and asked her, why you have come again and what are you looking for here? Again, January asked her, why you have come again here and what are you looking for? Now, January was asking her, why again and again you have come in? What are you looking for? I am looking for strawberries. My sister Helena and my stepmother bade me bring some strawberries. And if I don't, they will kill me. Tell me, fathers, tell me, please, where I can find them. Now, she explained to the 12 months that my sister and my mother have told me to bring strawberries. Now, please, sir, can you tell me where I can find them? Great January arose. He went over to the month. Sitting opposite to him was June. When we find strawberries in the starting of rainy season. In the starting of rainy season, Maricula was weeping, crying to find the strawberries. Then she went to the 12 months again. And the January arose. He went over the month sitting arose means he got up from the seat and he told the month June to sit on the seat and clubbed him to saying, brother, take the high seat. June took the high seat upon the stone and swung the club over the fire. Again, what they did, June month went on the high seat and sat there and club over the fire. वो जो क्लब था उसने फायर पर घुमाया. Club over the fire. The fire shot up and heat melted and the snow in a moment. As he sat up, the heat melted and the snow in a moment. Its heat melted the snow in the moment. फिर से magic किया. First magic who did? Which month first magic did? They did. First, which month did the magic? Can you tell me, Violets? Which month? The month of March. The month of yeah. Very good. March. And the second magic who did? Which month did? June. Very nice. Very nice. The fire shot up and heat melted the snow in a moment. The ground was all green. बारिश का मौसम आता है तो सब जगह हरियाली छा जाती है. So in the month of June, in the mid of June, we start with the rainy season. The trees were covered with the leaves. The trees started growing with the leaves. The birds began to sing. And the forest was filled with all kinds of flowers. And it was summer. The ground under the bushy was covered with the white starlets and starry blossoms were turning into strawberries every time. Now small white starlets was cherry blossom. Small stars, it was looking like a small starlet means small stars. Stars were turning into starry blossoms into strawberries every moment. Ripe at once. Ripened यानी पक जाना. Ripened यानी ready to eat. They ripened at once. When the strawberries are on the plant, they do not ripen. Means they are not ready to eat. It has to be kept. Any fruit from the plant we get or a tree we get, it needs to be ripened out to eat, ready to eat. Akula was in a great trouble. So these months were helping her out. They were doing the magic and they were helping Maricula. They ripened at once, and before Maricula had time to think, there were so many of them, and they could look as a red carpet had been spread on the ground. They were thinking now, they were looking like so many strawberries were there, and they were looking that red carpet is being spread on the ground. उसे लग रहा था इतनी सारी स्ट्रॉबेरीज आ गई थी, उसे लग रहा था किसी ने लाल सा बड़ा सा कारपेट ग्राउंड पर बिछा दिया है. Pick them at once, Maricula commanded June. June said her up. The season came, the springtime. After the springtime, the Maricula got the strawberries. So Maricula picked them joyfully. Till had filled her apron full. Apron is a cloth where when we cook at that time, our clothes get spoiled out, dirty, so we wear apron. Then she thanked the 12 months with all her heart and scrambled merrily home. जल्दी जल्दी से उसने पूरा एप्रॉन भरकर 12 मंथ से जो भी से स्ट्रॉबेरीज मिली थी वो स्ट्रॉबेरीज उसने अपने एप्रॉन में जमा कर दी. She filled her apron full with the strawberries and went home merrily. Fast with the light step, she went merrily, happily. Merrily means happily at home. Helena and the mother wondered when they saw Maricula bringing the strawberries. Now this mother and her daughter was wondering, सोच में पड़ गई, इसे strawberries कहाँ पर मिली? Her apron was full of them. Where did you pick them? Asked Helena again. She asked, where did you? So silly. That where she got them. There are plenty of them growing in the forest of high mountains. Now, what happened? That she told them that it was growing in the forest on the high mountains. She answered this. Now, we'll see okay, so you have seen this chapter. This chapter, children, is an imaginary story. Can 12 months, can you tell me, can this magic happen now?
No,
The months
teacher.
can
No,
do the
teacher.
magic. It is
No,
an
miss.
imaginary story. Okay, it is an imaginary story. Now, how many
Yeah,
daughters
happened in
were?
real time.
Yeah, yeah.
Two
How
daughters.
many? Two daughters. One was, tell the names of the two daughters.
One was Maricula, second was Holina.
Maricula and
and Holina.
Helena. Helena.
Holina.
Yeah, very good. Very. What work used to Maricula do?
Maricula do all the works in the home. Like clothing.
Yeah, housework, tidying up the cottage,
Spinning,
washing.
weaving,
Yes. Yeah,
and swimming.
yeah. Who helped Maricula? Who helped Maricula?
His stepdaughter.
No. Who helped the Maricula to bring the flowers and the strawberries?
12 months.
12 months. Very good. Very
12
nice.
months.
Yeah, the 12 months helped the Maricula to bring the flowers and violets and yes, very good.
And
You have
strawberries.
strawberries. Very nice. Now, children, you have to take a screenshot of this for your homework. You have to read this chapter and read this chapter and see
Yes,
the difficult
teacher.
words.
Okay, miss.
Please take a screenshot of this. You will read this chapter at home.
I taken.
Yeah, very good.
I also miss.
Yeah, thank you so much, dear children. Have a great day.